Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about USDJPY. Now, it's usual to keep the video as educational as possible. First, I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they're moving and shifting their orders. And then I will put together these two different types of analysis. So the multi-time frame top-down technical analysis with the commitment of traders to see where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that clearly the market is in a situation in which it is continuing to create higher lows. Now, this means that basically institutional buyers are protecting this uptrend. So even though sellers are entering it every single new high, buyers are trying to protect the lows, so every time managing to not make the market create lower lows and therefore inverting the trend. Because of course, if you are in an uptrend, if you want to protect that uptrend, you need to make sure that the market continues creating higher highs and higher lows, because once a low is in, then essentially it usually signals that sellers are not in control of this market and you expect continuation to the downside. So let's keep this in mind. Let's keep in mind the fact that from a monthly perspective, so the big time frame, we are in an uptrend with higher lows at every single step. Another thing that we have to keep in mind is that the market tried breaking above this zone. In fact, we had the start of this push to the upside. However, that was a failure because immediately sellers entered again and pushed below that zone. So from a high time frame perspective, this is the kind of situation and environment that we are in. Let's keep that in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now here on the weekly, we just had a massive impulse to the downside. Now, of course, after such a push to the downside, what you expect is a relief rally. So after a massive push to the downside, a nice correction. In fact, it seems like the market has already started the correction. Now, usually that is not this immediate. So you usually don't see just straight down, straight up. You usually see push to the downside, then maybe a bit of another candle here, and then you actually see the continuation to the upside. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. So that we will see very soon what will happen. But in order to understand what kind of price action we're getting, we need to go down on lower time frames to see even more structure and more price action. Because of course, as you go lower on the time frames, the more you see all the movements that the price has been doing. Now, if we go down here on the daily, we can see that the push to the downside was in fact very, very strong. And at this point, we just see three minor correction candles. Usually after something like this, you see a bit more of a push to the downside, maybe a bit of accumulation before then you see a deeper correction. So there is the possibility inside of here to see some institutional buying of USDJPY. Now, if we move to the commitment of traders and see what institutions are doing, we can see that net positions with the last reports were actually being decreased. We went from minus 122K down to minus 163K. So institutions are moving back to the bearish side of the JPY. They added 4.9K shorts, closed 6.3K longs. So institutions are adding shorts and closing longs with the last available reports. Of course, after this massive drop to the downside, they are unlikely to just immediately change their positioning, since now we do have good probabilities of seeing a correction. So inside of here, there is even more probability to see more institutional buying inside of this area, especially if we will see an accumulation area start to print out, which at that point would increase the probabilities of that relief correction that we were speaking about. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure to join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a nice rejection to the upside away from this zone, fueled by more institutional buying, for the market to create a relief correction after such a massive push to the downside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.